Max was eating again.
I have a great idea.
Let's open a food stall. That's a great idea.
Let's do it!
We need a team. I'm ready to help. This looks amazing! Welcome, everyone!
Leo, great to see you. Ready to start cooking. This is our place.
Let's build our stall.
Our food stall.
Big food, big flavor. Let's prepare the chicken. Our special marinade. You are always eating.
I'll mix it.
A little more spice. Max! That's too much!
Woo! It's spicy!
I need water.
Time to cook!
It smells amazing!
Welcome to Leo and Max's Tandoori Street Kitchen.
Grab a menu. The chicken is amazing today.
What is that?
Our special chicken tandoori. Looks delicious.
Wow!
It's delicious.
I love it. I love it. Welcome, folks. What can I get started for you today? The pulled pork is absolutely delicious. One tandoori, please. Coming right up. Fresh garlic naan.
Your order is ready! Here you go, buddy.
The line is getting longer.
We're getting popular. One giant family platter. Let's make it special.
Look at that! Our biggest meal.
Oops.
That's a lot of chicken.
I'm very hungry. Enjoy your meal.
This really is quite the bustling market.
This burger is the best.
Glad you like it. Enjoy the festival.
We sold so much food.
Teamwork made it possible.
Wow, we sold out.
Look, Leo, the Grand American Street Food Festival. You are always eating.